Okay. How long you guys been open for?
We are open for like 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
That's all South Indian?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Tamil?
Yeah, kind of Andhra. We do like North Indian and South Indian.
You from Tamil Nadu?
No, I'm from Andhra.
Oh.
So I'm a neighboring state from Tamil Nadu.
क्या आप तमिल भाषा आती है?
Oh, that's
Hindi
yeah,
order?
yeah.
வணக்கம்.
கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் தெரியும்.
வணக்கம்.
Yeah, வணக்கம்.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Okay. நான் இப்போ தமிழ் மொழி கற்றுக்கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன்.
Oh, that's good. Where did you learn this? You work in a Tamil restaurant?
இல்ல. நான் gar. Ila. நான் கற்றுக்கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன்.
But that's good. That's good.
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். இப்போ கொஞ்சம்
Yeah,
தெரியும்.
that's good.
Yeah. மற்றும் என்ன மற்ற மொழி?
Is that a camera? No.
This? Yeah.
Is that a camera? Is it a Gopro?
He said it's a
No, we're not from here. We're just visiting.
Okay.
Yeah, we just like
No,
told.
I'm asking.
Yeah.
That's a camera. Okay.
Yeah, we have a blog online.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just visiting right now.
Okay.
Oh, look. You see this? This is Tamil, and this is Sinhala, or Sri Lanka language, I think. No. Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can ask them.
Yeah, I was about to say that's how I'm about to start that. I know this is Tamil right here, right?
Right.
What is this one?
That is Kannada.
Oh, this Kannada?
Yeah.
This
That is
Sinhala?
Telugu.
Oh, this Telugu? What about this one?
I don't know.
Malayalam or something.
This Malayalam? Oh, which one of these is yours?
It depends. Like I come from this place and he comes from this or this.
I come from this place.
Oh, okay. Vanakkam. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? சோக்கியாமா?
Have you ever tried this one?
No.
No. Okay.
But then poni, like I have tried this in India. So
Really?
we used to kind of cultivate. We used to farm.
உங்க பெயர் என்ன?
In here,
Yeah.
Sharan.
Sharan?
How do you know Tamil?
நான் இப்போ தமிழ் மொழி கற்றுக்கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, it's nice.
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்.
Konjan தெரியும்.
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். ஆமா.
Do you go back often?
Yeah, I mean, I just go there like once in 2 years.
Oh, good. That's nice. So I
Yeah.
think maybe we'll go with this one.
난 타모나루 포가 비lumbureng.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe later.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I mean, you can go there like probably in the winter.
Winter?
November through March would be the best time because the weather would be like very mild.
Oh,
It's pretty much like this place, but then like less humidity there.
okay. Sorry.
Right.
Yeah. All right, Nandri.
No problem.
How do you say nice to meet you?
உங்களுக்கு பார்த்ததுக்கு சந்தோஷம்.
It's Sandosham or Roma Sandosham.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Roma Sandosham.
Romba?
All right, Vanakkam.
While we're here.
Hey.
You want to just get a menu?
Hi.
Can I get a menu?
Yeah. Want to go?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Very good.
Nice.
That's the menu.
This is nice.
Nice, yeah, but it's just to go.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Armenian.
Armenia?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bare.
Yeah, part of two spaces.
Inch besek.
Oh my God.
Shadlavim.
Love.
Snora Hagalutu.
California.
Nah.
Where? How you know Armenian?
Man, I'm from here, but oh shoot,
Long story.
I study like Ush, oh yeah.
Go hard. Go hard. Hi. That's my menu.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's the
awesome.
old menu because now
Okay.
I have a new menu. The new menu I have more little bit stuff here.
Uh-huh.
Just $1 out.
Okay.
Oh.
My plate is like that.
It's big. Okay.
Yes, it's
We
two,
have to-
6 appetizer, 2 different rice with the meat,
Really?
with the bread.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have fish?
Huh?
Fish?
Fish. That's the fish I have, but
Really?
special order.
Okay.
You call before 1 hour.
Oh.
I do it.
Okay.
The fish is coming 4 appetizer, 2 different rice, big fish.
Wow.
19.99.
What kind of fish is it?
Golden fish.
Golden fish.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, you can easy eat like meat because it doesn't have like
Bones.
yes, right.
Oh.
Shatlave. Shatlave.
Shatlave, right?
Yes, yes,
Right,
hi.
Germany food.
Inch bestek. Merci.
Kapalni.
Yes, yes, hayrin kishma gahaskana.
Çek haskınas şatlav.
Shalom.
Ayo.
Merci.
Oh my god.
Snor hagalutu.
Merci Can. Thank you.
Urish lezuner gidek.
Yeah, I'm getting iron. Causing us. Yeah.
Which one?
Inch doshin.
Inch hayrin
Iran.
English.
No, Arabic. Yeah, English, Arabic,
Arabic.
Kurdish.
Kurdish.
Yeah,
Oh.
Turkish.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, guys.
Kifa halik.
Alhamdulillah.
Kolotama. Yeah. Jamila.
Just say for me, where are you from? Now.
أنا من أمريكا أنا من أمريكا
من أمريكا.
لكن أنا بحب أدرس لغات
Yeah, very good job.
جميلة
Like my
جداً.
son, My son like that.
حقيقي
Yeah. My son, he's rap English. Anybody talk with him Arabic, listen, he answer Arabic. Oh my gosh, are you from where?
Oh
Yeah. Watch how he speak Arabic. He say, I know
ممتاز.
everything. Yeah.
ما شاء الله شلاو
Yeah.
شلاو
Son, Zen.
شوني
Huh?
شوني
Zen.
شوني
Shoni?
زور باشم
Zori Pasha. Oh,
زور
Kuti Azoni.
زي زور باشم
Azoni.
دزانم
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's Kurdish
Like me now, you know? Okay, more another. I know the Assyrian.
Assyrian
Yeah.
Oh شلاما
Islam.
Dahi? Dahi?
Spire.
أنا باين
Oh my god. I want which one I know.
أنا باين أزن بغداد
Oh. قوية. Oh my god, you want to live? No. No, live in the phone, live.
No, she is born.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh wow, I gotta come back and.
I hopefully you come back when I'm open.
Oh
For the
yeah.
fish.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, the fish. I have,
Inshallah.
If you go inside, I have nice decoration. I do it. That's all my stuff. Come here, see.
Zor spas.
Yeah.
Zor spas.
Decoration. I'm doing that.
Wow.
Here. I have the cinema here.
Oh, you got a
April
cinema?
18, yes. April 18, I have grand opening because I got the liquor license.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. We'll be outside, inside.
Okay.
Outside and
April
bring the
18.
body dancer.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I'll put it in my
18, the last virus be done.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
Let's see.
Wow.
See?
It's nice. So you did this?
That's all.
Wow. Let me put in my calendar.
Is it min banyazm kurdi bakhanam or?
Oh my god.
Was it Ahau Dadam?
I have another one, my friend. He talk, but he has 9 language.
No.
Oh
Which
my
one?
His M&M.
M&M?
He has body shop.
Body
Really?
shop?
Yeah, Murad and Mehran. 3 brother, 1 sister, 9 language.
Here?
Wow.
Here, yes. Here. This before her sister worked with me. 9 language.
Really?
No.
Iranian, Egypt.
From Iran?
No, he's from Armenia too.
You know Iranian?
No, Iranian no.
Oh,
Yeah,
من
Iran-
زبان فارسي من
Oh,
حرف ميزنه.
Iranian بيعرف. You in the school like
No, أنا أدرس نفسي.
تدرس نفسك.
Yeah,
Good, that's
نفسي
good, yeah.
لأن بحب
Yeah,
أدرس.
that's good. That's good. حلوة هيك.
Yeah.
Yeah.
من what is it? من خوش بم خوشة.
طيب خوشة.
بم خوشة
Okay.
اللغة
هو من كيف يدرس اللغات. Yeah. Yeah. I want to see you okay when I'm open.
Okay, inshallah.
إن شاء الله.
Inshallah.
لازم تجي.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Inshallah. شكرا. شكرا.
Bye bye.
مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة.
That's not KZ, okay?
Huh?
That's not KZ, Armenian. That's not KZ again.
Armenian?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta practice Armenian some more. All right, Shinodo Hakalu to you.
You too, thank you, Mr.
See ya.
John. Bye bye.
To the suit you. You know how many languages that was? Look, no, see, you don't realize how many languages I was just speaking with them.
I'm sure it was
Look,
like 6.
it was Armenian,
Yeah.
Arabic, Kurdish, and it was something else. Armenian.
Who's gonna have to switch them flags up? But
Yeah, it was Armenian. Look, it was Armenian, Kurdish, Arabic. Maybe it was just 3. I thought it was 4. Shalama. Shalama, shalama.
That's it. Maybe 1690.
Dari.
Huh?
Dari.
What?
Dari.
That what?
Dari.
Right.
Assyrian.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm Chaldean. That's same thing.
Kurdian?
Chaldean.
Kurdian.
But they
Oh.
speak same thing.
Oh, okay.
You speak Serbian?
No, they speak same thing.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep a holler, basically. Keep a holler. Keep it.
Yeah, that's Arab.
كان لغة تعرف عربي إنجليزي عربي
Arabic,
إنجليزي
English, like Assyrian, like what Assyrian, I know Assyrian.
Assyrian. So okay, so now you said Dari.
Dagit.
Darid.
Dagit.
See, that's different.
Yeah, Dagit like a warrior.
Yeah. Darid.
Right.
Shoe?
Shoo. He said what?
That's Arabic. Dagit.
Darid. Dari.
Mu Dagit. What? No. The fuck? That's where the point.
Gianni.
Dagit. Dagit. Like a Dagit like a warrior.
Darid. But I think you, the one that you,
It means she like got
is it? Did it go through?
That's what I mean.
The one that you're, I think the one that you're saying is probably a different dialect because there's a lot of Assyrians here, and they,
Oh, different. It's
it's different.
Yeah.
Because a lot of
That's what I
Muslims,
told you. Assyrian they speak different. Chaldean they speak different.
yeah,
And Syrian they speak different.
okay,
Three
Yeah,
people.
for now.
oh, okay,
Syrian, Chaldean, and Syrian. Not from Syria, no, but Syrian. They call it Syrioyo.
Syriota.
Actually,
So you speak Arabic, English, Assyrian, and what else?
We speak like what? Spanish a little bit.
Spanish a little bit. What about you? Can a look at
I
Tata?
learn Arabic, French, and Spanish, and English.
But you're from Lebanon.
Yeah, like we learn all 3 languages in Lebanon.
Parlez-vous le français aussi?
Oui, je parle.
Oh, okay.
لا واحدة بس.
Hey, because like we used
No.
to be like
Brother, only one
back
chicken,
in
please.
Tommy, we used
Nope.
to be French.
I'm so sorry, buddy.
Colony.
Sorry about
colony.
that, but.
And then by now, like most of our schools are French schools.
French schools.
So we have to learn. I actually learn everything in the French, and the rest in Arabic, and like I get a course in English.
Oh,
But then
okay.
my like higher education were in English.
Go next.
Just say, oh, I'm too bad in French. I have a lot of friends that are way better. But like, we, even like, see, in school, my school, we didn't used to speak a lot.
بسمخة.
You welcome,
Basimcha.
huh? Basimcha.
Basimcha.
Mshana, mshana.
But Shannon.
How you learn?
Just asking people how to say
Oh, my
stuff.
people.
Just asking them how to say stuff, and I just keep doing it, just practice.
cool.
Yeah,
I like that.
yeah. أنا باين لبسودة.
Uh-huh.
Deuce.
Deuce.
Deuce?
You're right.
I have a lot of friends.
I have my own house, man. What are you talking?
No, me no have that. But
Just because I
Nada.
with him doesn't mean I can get my chicken, right?
Because
Well,
he's
yeah,
been
but
here for a long time.
That's what we
I
do.
want
We
to
have like 2 people or 3 people,
Not
whatever we
really,
have.
but you know, like if there's a lot of time.
I'm so sorry, brother.
I have my friend, like my friend, girlfriend. She's actually Mexican.
Where you guys from?
Sorry?
Where you guys
So
from?
I'm like, I wanted to learn.
Yeah.
India had the
India?
like, started
You Southern? Oh, Tamil?
Not Tamil, Telugu. There's a
Oh, Telugu. You don't know Tamil?
I mean, we know friends who speak Tamil.
I used to use it a lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know someone from there?
Well, no, I learned Tamil.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I mean,
Yeah.
we know bits and pieces of problems.
Konjam te?
Yeah.
Sokyama. Sokyama.
Sokyama, yeah.
Sokyama.
Yeah.
Sokyama.
And like, I'll see you again.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam, yeah.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Oh, we don't know that.
Oh, okay. Oh, nada irike.
Pero tú dijiste que hablas español.
Not really.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I used to work like 5 years ago in Mexican store, like in Carniceria. I used to speak every day. With
Oh, yeah.
Not right now.
Yeah. It's hard to remember
Yeah,
if you
right.
don't speak it. Well, I have your card now, so I'll call.
Thank you so much.
Say, look,
Thank
say,
you.
you say push bashena to him.
Push Bashena.
Yeah, push bashena. All right, see you, man. Ma salama.